Hello, good evening. My name is Dr. K. Kalpana. So presently I am working as assistant professor in SNH department. So I am the physics faculty for this SNH department. So my institution is Andhra Layala Institute of Engineering and Technology. So this is our physics lab. Generally we are conducting 10 experiments. So in that 8 experiments are physically we are doing and 2 experiments we are conducting on virtual lab for the students. So all the experiments are relevant to the theory units. So this is one of the experiments. This is a Stewart Gies galvanometer. So this is called a circular coil. We are testing the magnetic field, electromagnetic field variation along with the distance by using all these setting apparatus, helpful apparatus. This is the rheostat and this is commutator. This is ammeter and variable power supply and the plug key. So with this apparatus, the students can be able to understand the variation of magnetic field that happens along with the distance by current carrying coil. So actually this is the relevant unit. We have the third unit in the engineering physics theory subject. So practically we are testing that topic in this lab. Next, coming to this one. This is the dielectric constant testing kit. So by using charging and discharging procedure, we are going to determine the value of dielectric constant. So we have the third unit, that is dielectric materials. So here we are practically testing that topic with this apparatus. So this is one more kit in this apparatus. We have 3 kits in our lab. So this is the one. This is laser light experiment. With this experiment we are going to check the wavelength of the laser light by using diffraction grating concept. So we have the first unit, that is wave optics in the theory. So here practical version we are giving for the students. Next, this is thermistor characteristic kit. So by using this one, this is temperature dependent resistance characteristics we will going to study. So students can understand what are the resistors and variable resistors and standard resistors. So this is a variable resistor, that to temperature dependent resistor. So by using temperature variations we are going to conduct this experiment. So finally we are giving the value for the temperature coefficient for the thermistor. So next one is determination of energy band gap by using PN junction diode experiment we are going to conduct. So this direct question is in the theory topic, that is in the 4th unit. So next, so this is the very biggest experiment in our lab. This is called Hall effect experiment. So direct theory topic, Hall effect topic is there in the semiconductors unit. So the setting of the apparatus contains 4 number. So the first one is the mains power supply. So second one is the Hall effect setup. So third one is the digital Gauss meter. So this is the electromagnetic setup. So by using this experiment we are going to study the Hall effect. So for the semiconductor material. So at the end of this experiment we can determine the value of Hall coefficient RH.